When office jobs, gaming, parenting, and excess screen time take their toll on your back, it's time to make a change. Introducing the Dr. Trust Posture Corrector, taking you from slouched to straight in a few simple seconds. This unique device is suitable for any wearer and is fully adjustable to fit all back sizes. The breathable premium fabric, padded finish, and optional armpit protectors means you can wear the Posture Corrector year-round, and the powerful hook lip and adjustable brackets ensure comfort and durability. To fit the device, slide the Corrector over your shoulders like a rucksack. Pull the straps to tighten into a comfortable but supportive position and secure in place on the Velcro exterior. The subtle pressure encourages improved standing and sitting positions, promoting proper posture and improving the health of your spine, neck and back muscles. For added comfort, simply secure the armpit pads in place to prevent chafing. The discreet device can be worn under jackets at the office or under any clothing elsewhere, so that you can walk tall no matter where you are. Wear for just 20 to 30 minutes a day for noticeable results. So, take control of your back pain and make a change to your health today with the Dr. Trust Posture Corrector. Get yours now.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.